London was famous for its fair, the Great Exposition. It was held in 1851 in the New Crystal Palace, which was made of glass and iron. Britain was considered the workshop of the world. It produced two-thirds of the world's coal and over one-half of the world's iron and cotton cloth. In 1750, Britain only produced 2% of the world's industrial goods, while in 1860, Britain produced 20% of the world's industrial goods. Britain was the first industrial nation. British economy increased population, which led to gross national product, which increased 4 times the amount from 1780 to 1851. British people increased their wealth and income. Population boomed in 1780 from 9 million to in 1851, 21 million. Population growth contributed to the increased production. People ate 75% more from 1780 to 1851. Population growth wasn't harmful because of industrial expansion. More people meant more workers who were willing to go where the jobs were. They were called the mobile workforce. Contemporaries were less positive. Thomas Malthus, from 1766 to 1834, wrote an essay on the principle of population. He said that population would grow faster than the food supply. The only hope of controlling the population was prudential restraint, which meant that people should marry later in life and therefore have less children. However, this didn't happen because people wanted to marry earlier in life. David Ricardo lived from 1772 through 1823. He was an English stockbroker and an economist. He said that the iron law of wages was that because of the pressure of the growth of population, wages would sink to subsistence level. He called economics the dismal science. Malthus, Ricardo, and their followers were wrong in the long run. John Maynard Keynes was an economist who lived during the Great Depression in the 1930s. His famous quote is, "We are all dead in the long run." Modern studies show that from the 1820s through 1840s, people concluded that the economy and population were racing neck and neck, and the outcome was inconceivable. What if the rich got richer and the poor got poorer?